Alright, you guys are probably wondering what's going on here. Why were you taking your wheels and tires out of the inside of your car? What did you drive on to get back to where you are now? Well, the wait is over, the cat's out of the bag, I guess. I ordered some new wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. Alright you guys, here they are. These are some 18-inch RTX Vertex wheels with the red machine face. It's kind of like a candy apple red. And then I went ahead and got some Yokohama GTX low profile tires to go with them. I've got a custom pair of lugs that's going to be coming in. These were the same lugs I was using with the Motegi wheels, but I've got some new ones coming in. I think they should be here maybe tomorrow or something like that. So if I don't finish editing this video by then, maybe I'll include that in this video, or I'll just make it a whole nother kind of, montage video in itself. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.